Alright, it's like my millionth flight, but this is GAMYUI'S first flight, so I'm gonna show her. She's real excited. Saying hi like usual. Sawasdee krap. Krap. GAMYUI. Okay, at last we actually get to explore a market in Bangkok. We got some shirts, got a pair of pants. I'm looking for a hat from Bangkok. It's no problem. I know this entire market didn't have one hat. They had shirts and pants and bathing suits and bras. We'll find it. I don't think they sell hats in Thailand. GAMYUI. Up, okay. I showed her some lingerie. I like. Okay. Well, that was just a quick walk that was just a quick walkthrough of the Bangkok market. Yeah, there's a lot of shirts and stuff there to buy. It's raining a bit. Okay. Hold on.
Baht.
100 baht? Baht. 2?
Two.
E?
Yeah.
Alright. So for 2 people to ride this, it's 80 baht. That's actually not bad, considering the taxi was like 360. Would have been cheaper, but the guy went around the block. I've been in New York City, I know better, fellas. Yeah, Airport Rail Line Station is what we're riding. That's what this is, this Airport Rail Link Station. You are here, we are right there. So yes, Airport Rail Link Station. 1, 2, 3, 4, so we want to go this way.
Baby.
Am I small enough to be on for free? Almost. Lockers. That goes to the train.
Check in.
Oh, check in over there?
Check out.
Check out over there. Okay. Oh my god, we gotta look at this. Yes. The umbrella. She's finally pulling out the umbrella after half an hour of rain. So cute. GAMYUI. Ain't that? Bank?
Yeah.
Ah.
Bank.
UOB, a bank. I know a Capricorn Bank, and now that one. UOB. UOB-Wan Kenobi. That was a good one. I take pride in that one. We're pretty far away, but maybe we could see the train going by. Oh, we still got a minute and a half. Okay. Want to see train. Look at them all. a few motorcycles and scooters. Just a couple. Now I think I gotta wait a while to get back across. Shit. I didn't see her crossing, or else I would have also crossed. Sorry. GAMYUI? Jahan?
Yeah.
Yes.
You see?
Yes, I see. Close. Yes. Alright, I'm gonna cut it for here. We're gonna get some chicken and probably some more food and go back to the hotel and watch a movie. And maybe I could get GAMYUI to drink a little bit of beer. Maybe I could get GAMYUI to drink a little bit of beer.